Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mugdha Joshi. I work as a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Cloudnine Shivaji Nagar Hospital, Pune. There's been a lot of fear in minds regarding does a pap smear hurt. If you ask me, no, I have conducted hundreds of pap smears and no one has ever told me that it hurts. Yeah, we do insert a speculum, which is a gynecological instrument inside. We visualize your cervix, but then we don't prick you, we don't cut you. So ideally it shouldn't hurt. If the technique is good, if the person doing the pap smear is right, it ideally shouldn't hurt. Yeah, people with dyspareunia or very tight vaginal tracts, a little discomfort is expected, but pain, ideally it shouldn't cause any pain.